has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 340, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Hartford, Litchfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and Tolland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, central Westchester County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Upper Nyack to New Yonkers, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Austining and Tarrytown around 7:05 p.m. White Plains around 7:10 p.m. Harrison and Hawthorne around 7:15 p.m. Mount Kisco around 7:20 p.m. Stanford and Greenwich around 7:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, Westchester County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New York Town Heights to Greenwich, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Norwalk and New Canaan around 7:45 p.m. Westport and Wilton around 7:55 p.m. Ridgefield and Weston around 8 p.m. Danbury and Reading around 8:05 p.m. Bethel around 8:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Litchfield County, central Dutchess County in east central New York, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hopewell Junction, or 9 miles northwest of Pawling, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pawling around 10:25 p.m. Windmill and Dover Plains around 10:30 p.m. Gaylordsville around 10:40 p.m. Kent around 10:45 p.m. New Milford around 10:50 p.m. New Preston around 11:05 p.m. Thomaston and Litchfield around 11:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Cornwall, West Torrington, Salt Point, Norrie Heights, Haight Vineyard, Baker Corner, Beekman, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, and Wrightville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at thunderstormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/msalini or Twitter at msalini. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 11 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 29 nautical miles north of Long Neck Point to near Mamaroneck Harbor to 6 nautical miles northwest of Jamaica Bay, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Stanford Harbor around 10:10 p.m. Long Neck Point around 10:20 p.m. Norwalk Islands around 10:25 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor around 10:30 p.m. Cold Spring Harbor and Oyster Bay around 10:35 p.m. Huntington Bay and Penfield Reef around 10:40 p.m. Bridgeport around 10:45 p.m. Mouth of the Housatonic River around 10:50 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Litchfield County, south central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Dutchess County in east central New York, south central Columbia County in east central New York, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ammonia, or 17 miles east of Runnebeck, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Millerton around 10:20 p.m. Sharon around 10:25 p.m. Falls Village around 10:30 p.m. Keenan and Ashley Falls around 10:35 p.m. Torrington and Norfolk around 10:45 p.m. Winston around 10:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include South Norfolk, Sodom, Patchen Mills, Uncondale, South King, Norville, Langham Village, Gilmora, Kelly Corner, and Millbrook. Prepare immediately for deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at thunderstormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/msalini or Twitter at msalini. Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hartford County, south central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sanesfield to near New Preston, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include West Hartford, Bristol, Westfield, Holyoke, Windsor, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Avon, East Hampton, Suffield, Granby, Canton, Southwick, Burlington, Southampton, and East Granby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Collin County, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampden County in western Massachusetts, until midnight. At 11:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wales, or 17 miles east of Springfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Grafton, Holden, Southbridge, Auburn, Oxford, Millbury, Charlton, Palmer, Stafford, Spencer, Leicester, Sturbridge, Monson, Rutland, Warren, Paxton, North Brookfield, West Brookfield, and Brimfield. For your to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a